Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Fenique. I am Fenique, and today we are doing a purse review. So I found myself walking around and happened upon Coach and ended up buying the mini pillow Tabby. Obsessed. It's so cute. It's so small, guys. Look how it fits in my one hand, and this is the size of my hand. Is it ashy? No, I have to check and see if I was ashy, y'all. But look, so cute. So in love with it. So let's get into this review. So the bag is adorbs. I love it so much. I just think it's so cute, guys. Let me close it up. I think it's so adorable. Oh, such a moment. So cute. I ended up also buying a gold chain at Coach. It was $35 for the chain, and it goes all the way around. I'll pop up a video of me wearing it with the chain. This is the chain. It's pretty long, pretty great chain. But the bag also comes with, I have them in my lap, this cute handle that looks basically like this when you put it on. Super cute. I'll actually attach it so you guys can see. How cute. Oh, love. And then it also comes with a strap, and that you can put over your body. I personally won't be using the strap, and you can actually make the strap longer too. I won't be using the strap because I love the gold, and I personally love gold and just love it as an accessory. So any way I can put gold into an outfit, I will. I'm not too into silver, but I'm gonna try to get like into mixing metals, but definitely obsessed. So how cute. So the bag retailed at $3.95, and the bigger size bag retails at $4.95, so it's a $100 difference. I like the smaller size bag because I just think it's even more adorable, and the shape is even more flattering in a smaller size. Now, did I look at both? Yes. Popping over a photo here, shared it on my Instagram this past weekend, and completely obsessed. So in love with this. It's so freaking adorable. Like, so if you're wondering what you can put in here, I'm about to show you. Let's get right on into it. This is the baggie. This is the baggie. This is the bag, and I already actually have my iPhone in here. I have a large iPhone 11. I think it's the iPhone 11 Max Pro. That might be the proper name. Either way, it's the bigger iPhone with this case. So it's actually in a different shape, and the case is from Amazon. I'll link it below. But with this case as well, you can still get this in here, and I'll show you guys the case as well. Cute, right? Super inexpensive. I think it was $20, if that. So, or $14.99, something like that. I'll link it below so you guys can see it. But long story short, how adorable is this? And you can put this into this bag right here. Well, let me show you the insides first. So you have this back pocket where you can probably put cash and cards and things like that. That's what I put there. They also, yeah, cash and cards. And then it has this, like, can I get in there and show you that brown thing? And it's like a Coach label thing, which I think is super original Coach. And then it has two different separators. So you have that where I would put my phone in one of these two, and then you have that space. So I would probably put my phone in the back. I don't know. I haven't worn this purse. I've only had it a few days and haven't been anywhere. But let's see what else we can get in this purse. So my Fenty chocolate, love, obsessed. Can we get in? We'll lay it down. We can get in some cards. Can we get in a pen? I would never absolutely want to put a pen in here, to be honest with you, because if it leaks, I'd be upset. So maybe not. Let's put in, I'm dropping things, guys. Let's put in some Aleve for when people give me a headache. Matter of fact, no, we're not putting that in. We gotta put in the most necessary thing. My car keys, we'll drop those in. Okay, so I have two different hand sanitizers. This is a bigger one. Can we get the bigger one in? Let's see. Obviously we can. We can also get the smaller one in, obviously, which might be a little bit more compact, and then that's how much room we still have. We put cards back here. Let's get a mask in there. We're gonna get one of my little masks. Put that in here. We can get that in here. Can we didn't put no lotion in. You know I don't like to be ashy. Can we get that in there? I might be reaching on this one. We might have to go for a smaller lotion and drop that in. Or another smaller lotion I have actually. Hopefully it doesn't leak. Drop that in there. I don't think we can get it closed now, y'all. Stuffing bags is my specialty. Put that in there, put that in there. We might not be able to get an additional mask. Well, we can if we wanted to. Let me just slide that in the back. Ooh, baby. We done packed her. She's a pillow. When we close. Boom! Now, I don't like that misshapen at the top, so. But you see how much I got in there? That little cutie patootie. I don't know what people really put in their purses. All I need is lip gloss, a little hand sanitizer, a small lotion. But I got lotion in my car. My phone. Which, bada bing, bada boom. My mask. My money, because I always need that. So, oh, and we still got keys in here that I gotta take out. So I got quite a bit in there. It's kind of awesome, right? Like, I love that. I love it. All right. Okay, my loves. Can we just talk about, first of all, Coach brand and all those kind of things? The Coach brand has completely changed. For the better. It feels much more modern, and it feels very true to the brand that I always thought they were, and I feel like they were getting away from that for a few years, trying to be something different. But I always thought of Coach as like a little bit more an affordable premium, if that makes sense. I always thought of them as like affordable premium that is just you know, cute, but they had too many signature prints for me. That was too much, you know? You're not Gucci. So, but they went back to, I feel like, their horseback riding roots and stuff like that. I just felt that was always their roots, even if it wasn't, because I was never super into the brand growing up as a kid, and everyone around me was. But I just feel like they went back to just being chic and simple, and it felt very modern. That's something I really want to talk about, because there was bags there. I was like, this is a beautiful bag. This is a simple, chic, beautiful bag. And my style is a little bit more beautiful bags that are simple, chic, classic. I like classic pieces in my wardrobe. I love to have a lot of color, and I do. But I like classic pieces, and that's giving me classic. So definitely in love, and I think Coach did a beautiful job with their brand and the rebranding. It's beautiful. If you haven't, go take a chance. If you haven't, and you get a chance to try to go into a store and look around, it looks the shoes, meh, but the bags have really changed for the better. If you ask me, in the little travel section, it's beautiful. So they have some beautiful things, and I'm really impressed, and I'm very, very happy. So very impressed. Now, if you're looking for this and they're sold out at your Coach store, go to Neiman's. Neiman Marcus had online the white, which is ivory, the rouge, which is this pink, and a purple, and they called it purple. And you could just order it and it'll be in your house in 3 to 5 days, like, period. So if you can't find it in the store, you're like, they're sold out everywhere. Neiman Marcus had some, Saks had some. If they're still available today, I literally checked like a day ago. If they're still available, I'll make sure to link where I found it, where you can buy it below, because in the pillows, because they're really only selling these in Coach stores, not on Coach online, but retailers are selling these online. Bada bing, bada boom. So if you're looking for them, go forth, my child. Join the mini Tabby pillow gang. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching my YouTube channel. I truly appreciate you. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. Follow me on IG. This is Fenique, and I'm also on TikTok and being more active now, and my handle is just Fenique there. So hit me up. DMs are open. You have any questions, let me know. Any concerns, let me know. Or if you want to see a product and know if I've tried a product, and I've tried a lot of products I haven't talked about on here, go ahead, hit me up. I'm always looking for great video ideas, and I'm always into creating cool, interesting content. Cool, interesting content that will help you. Thank you guys so much. See you soon.